Measuring with the Hioki RM3544 Resistance Meter is extremely easy. Watch this video to learn how the RM3544 4-terminal method measures the resistance of coils. The 4-terminal method is made up of a current source terminal that supplies a constant current and a voltage detection terminal that identifies the voltage drop. Because the input impedance of the voltmeter is high, the test lead on the voltage detection side captures almost no current, which enables the resistance meter to avoid any adverse effects from the measurement lead or contact resistance. To start, align the clips at the point marked V and short the test leads, making sure the display shows 0. Then clip the leads of the coil to connect. When measuring components that exhibit different resistance values depending on the temperature, such as copper wires, you can also convert the resistance value so that it is based on a preset reference temperature. Let's measure the resistance of the coil again. Now let's go over the procedures on how to configure temperature compensation. First, move the cursor to TC Set and select On. The reference temperature is currently set at 20 degrees Celsius and the temperature coefficient is set at 3930 ppm. The displayed resistance value is the measured value that has been converted based on a reference temperature of 20 degrees. The value on the top right labeled RT is the resistance value before temperature compensation. As you can see, measuring the resistance of a coil using the RM3544 resistance meter is extremely easy. For more information, please visit www.hioki.com.